log into Robyn from whatever computer is connected to your interactive whiteboard or projector, whatever's running your slides. And then when you're about to start your input, you click Record New Lesson, and you share your microphone and show Robyn where the slides are that you're using, whether it's PowerPoint or Google Slides or what have you, and click Start. Robyn then follows along as you go through your slides and as you're talking, so Robyn knows what the lesson is about and will be able to answer questions from students about the lesson. And then when you've finished your input and you're ready for the students to get on with some kind of independent task, you click pause, and then Robyn will take a few moments just to process everything that you've said and everything that was on the board. And in a second, a QR code is going to appear on the screen here, and then students can scan that QR code with whatever device you might have available, an iPad, for example, and they will then be able to ask questions about the lesson. If you're using laptops, then instead of scanning the QR code, you can copy and paste the link to those laptops. So here's a tablet. I'm going to scan that QR code, and then I will get the student question interface, and so I can ask questions about the lesson. And as a student, I will get a scaffolded answer based on what has just been taught. I can tap the microphone button to ask a question, to speak a question, or I can tap the camera icon to take a picture, or I can just type my question. So just to recap, you log in to the Robyn interface, share your slides and your microphone, run your lesson exactly as you would normally, and when you've finished your input and the students are ready to get on with some task, you click pause in the Robyn interface, wait for the QR code to appear, and students can then scan that QR code or copy the link, and they'll be able to ask questions about the lesson.